This is Diane Heisig. I will be demonstrating the case study from chapter 10 on page 223, showing top customer but total review. It's a picture from the Chicago Botanical Gardens from last summer. To start this off, I need to first make a pivot table. So I'm going to go to my first table, go to Insert, Pivot Table. I'm going to make sure I check Add this data to the data model. I'm going to click OK. And now I'm going to just add the revenue field for my pivot table. I'm going to go over here and select all sectors, and I want to select sector as the row. Now I have to create a relationship between the two tables, so I'll go ahead and click Create. For the first table, sales, I'm going to select Customer as a foreign key, and for the other table, I'm also going to select Customer as the primary key. So go ahead and click OK. And now you can see that the generic numbers that Excel puts in there to tell you that you need to create a connection, those have now been changed to reflect the accurate numbers. So I'm going to go over here to Sum of Revenue. I'm going to make sure those are currency, that's the currency format. That way it shows a little bit clearer, a little bit nicer. So go ahead and click OK. Alright, from this point, I'm going to go over here to the row labels, click the down arrow. Oh, first I need to add customer from over here. Let me add customer. Alright, now that customer's in there, now I select the down arrow, go to change this to customer, the select field, change this, the value filters to top 10, and I want to select just the top 1. So now you have the number 1 customer in each of the sectors. You've noticed the grand total is now changed. It does not include the other customers that aren't not listed in the pivot table. So that needs to be adjusted. So I'm going to go over here to the Design tab, Subtotals, and include filtered items in total. So now you can see that there's an asterisk next to each sector. So that way it shows that that the revenue actually includes all items or all customers, not just the customer that's showing in the pivot table. And that is how you show the top customer but your total revenue. The references that I used for this are my textbook, which is shown here, and then the sample files that were provided from the textbook. Thank you.